Hey, and we're at the zoo.
Look at it, huge.
Look at the giraffes.
Look at the baby. You know when they're born, they already can stand up? Because in the Sahara Desert or in the African savannah, if they're born and they cannot walk, the lions will eat them. Look, this guy over there. Look how huge. Look how high it can go. Unbelievable. Look at him. He almost fits in the door. Look at him in the door. It's like,
Wow.
yep, I fit.
Look at those weird crane birds over there. Just like watching. Check out. No, these are baboons.
Oh, there's a baboon, yeah.
They got like blue butts.
Oh, they're related to the man. There's the master over there. See him with the blue nose?
Can't really see.
He's
Whoa!
jumping quite good.
That dude's got ninja skills. Hey, ninja skill monkey.
Monkey.
This guy's playing with the sunglasses that someone dropped in. Look at that. He broke the lenses off and I was trying seeing if it's edible. Oh, where'd he go?